so cool.
We're gonna do the same. I want to be on the floor.
I want to be on the floor.
I want to be on the floor.
Carry around her body for 4 months, off and on. That means the baby go and play around, and when they're hungry, they come back here, they eat, and then.
He just took a look because monkey on us. Yeah, like it was on me.
So please.
That baby's sleeping.
None of them took it. Baby, come on up.
You gotta be ready and quick.
I leaned back. Because I thought maybe you would. But I had the camera back there.
Really are
Look, he's on his
Look
camera.
at that monkey.
So everybody,
Yeah.
you want some monkeys in your hands, everybody?
Who, what?
You need to put your hand flat, please, like that. And you want to have some monkey in your hands. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Just open your hands, please. Everybody this side, everybody this side, everybody this side. Come on. Everybody just open hands, open hands, open hands, open hands, open hands.
I didn't get any either.
You can.
Jacob.
Check out the pocket.
Please, I need attention, thank you. Now everybody, so like I said earlier, so we're gonna take some pictures. So I just want for you, please, just to put your hand flat, please, like that, and look at the camera.